Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can make your Google Photo default on iPhone, which means you do not want your iCloud to be as a backup in iPhone. You want to Google Photos to be the backup storage section for your photos in iPhone. So for this first, what you want to do is open your setting on iPhone. Once you open up your setting at the top, it's going to show you your current ID name. So mine says Jake, but yours going to be different. Click on it. From over here, you want to click on iCloud. Once you're inside iCloud, the first option where it says Photos, click on Photo over here. Where it says Sync this iPhone, make sure it's off. Click on Red Sys, remove from iPhone. Or if you want to download your photos and video, you can click on Download Photos and Video, and it's going to be done. Once this step is done, what you want to do is close the setting and open up your Google Photo. From your Google Photo, you want to click on your Google's profile picture. From the top right of the screen, click on where it says Google Photo Setting, which is going to be your second last option. From inside over here, click on where it says Backup, and make sure Backup is on. Once Backup is on, all of your photos and videos from the gallery is going to be backed up on Google. So that's how we guys can make Google Photos your default on iPhone. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.